Hello dear SY Biotechnology students. I am about to share with you the semester 3 portion in chemistry for the academic year 2020-21. The entire chemistry paper is worth 60 periods. Section A is mainly physical chemistry, which is having 30 periods, and the topics under section A are: the first chapter is solutions, which is worth 6 periods. The topics are thermodynamics of ideal solutions. Under this we have to know what are ideal solutions, what are non-ideal solutions, what is Raoult's law, what are the deviations from Raoult's law, vapor pressure and composition and temperature composition curves of ideal and non-ideal solutions, distillation of solutions, Lever rule, azeotropes. Then after that we have to know partial miscibility of liquids. Under this we have to know critical solution temperature, effect of impurity on partial miscibility of liquids, immiscibility of liquids. We have to also know principle of steam distillation. Ultimately we have to know Nernst distribution law and its applications, and we also have to know solvent extraction. Going to the next chapter, which is phase equilibrium, it is again worth 6 periods. Under this chapter we have phases, components and degrees of freedom definitions. Then we have to know the criteria of phase equilibrium. We have to know Gibbs phase rule and its thermodynamic derivation. We also have to know the derivation of Clausius-Clapeyron equation and its importance in phase equilibria. We have to know phase diagrams of one component system and two component system, namely water and sulfur. Systems involving eutectic, congruent and incongruent melting points like lead silver system, ferric chloride water system and sodium potassium system. Only these three systems are taken. We go to the next chapter, conductance, which is worth 8 periods. Under conductance chapter we have conductivity, equivalent conductivity, molar conductivity definitions and their variation with dilution for weak and strong electrolytes, Colrausch's law of independent migration of ions, transference number, ionic mobility, applications of conductance measurement, determination of degree of ionization of weak electrolyte, solubility and solubility products of sparingly soluble salts, ionic product of water, hydrolysis constant of a salt, conductometric titrations, only acid base. Then we have electrochemistry chapter, which is worth 10 periods. Under electrochemistry we ought to know reversible and irreversible cells, the concept of EMF of a cell, measurement of EMF of a cell, Nernst equation and its importance, types of electrodes, standard electrode potential, electrochemical series, thermodynamics of a reversible cell, calculation of thermodynamic properties like change in Gibbs free energy delta G, change in enthalpy delta H and change in entropy delta S from EMF data, calculation of equilibrium constant from EMF data, concentration cells with transference and without transference, liquid junction potential and the use of salt bridge, pH determination using hydrogen electrode and quinhydrone electrode, potentiometric titrations, qualitative treatment, that is exclusively with respect to acid base and oxidation reduction only. Now we go towards section B, which is organic chemistry. This is another 30 periods. This will be handled by another teacher and part of it will be handled by me. The first chapter is carboxylic acids and its derivatives, 6 periods. Carboxylic acids, you have to know aliphatic and aromatic, the preparation of it, acidic and alkaline hydrolysis of esters, reactions like Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction, carboxylic acid derivatives up to 5 carbon atoms and mainly aliphatic, preparation, that is acid chlorides, anhydrides, esters and amides from acids and their interconversion, reactions, comparative study of nucleophilicity of acyl derivatives, Reformatsky reaction, Perkin condensation. The next chapter is amines and diazonium salts. This is worth 6 periods. This chapter will be taken by me. Amines, we have to know aliphatic and aromatic, that is up to 5 carbon atoms. Examples. Preparation, we have to know to prepare from alkyl halides, Gabriel thalamide synthesis, Hofmann bromamide reaction, reactions such as Hofmann versus Setzeff comparison, carbylamine test, Hinsberg test with nitric acid, rather nitrous acid, Schotten-Baumann reaction, electrophilic substitution. The case given is aniline. With respect to aniline, we have to know nitration, bromination, sulfonation. Diazonium salts, that is preparation from aromatic amines, reactions conversion to benzene, phenol, dyes. Amino acids, peptides, proteins, this is worth 6 periods, will be taken by the other teacher. Preparation of amino acids, under this there is Strecker synthesis using Gabriel thalamide synthesis, Zwitter ion isoelectric point and electrophoresis, reactions of amino acids, ester of COOH group, acetylation of NH2 group, complexation with copper 2 plus ions, Ninhydrin test, determination of primary structure of peptides by degradation, Edmond degradation, that is N terminal and C terminal, synthesis of simple peptides up to dipeptides by N protection and C activating groups, and Merrifield solid phase synthesis. Alkaloids chapter will be again taken by me. Worth 4 periods, natural occurrence, general structural features, isolation and their physiological action, Hofmann's exhaustive methylation, MD's modification, structure, elucidation and synthesis of hygrine and nicotine only, medicinal importance of nicotine, hygrine, quinine, morphine, cocaine and reserpine. The next chapter is terpenes. Worth 4 periods, again will be taken by me. It consists of occurrence, classification, isoprene rule, synthesis of citral, niral and alpha terpineol. You only have to know the structure. The last chapter is pharmaceutical compounds. This is worth 4 periods. Of this, only the medicinal values of the pharmaceutical compounds will be handled by me. The other topics are structure and importance, classification, structure and therapeutic uses of antipyretics, paracetamol, analgesics, ibuprofen, antimalarials, chloroquine, an elementary treatment of antibiotics and detailed study of chloramphenicol, medicinal values of curcumin, neem, vitamin C and antacid. The reference books for physical chemistry are G.M. Barrow or G.W. Castellan or J.C. Cordes or D.H. Mahan or R.H. Petrucci. For organic, it is Morrison and Boyd or Finar book, which is more common. So with this, I would like to conclude about syllabus. Thank you for listening.